As videographers, photographers, and content creators, we spend thousands of dollars on cameras, lenses, laptops, all of the gear that we need to get the job done. But the truth is, the tools that actually run my business every single day, the ones that help me find clients, deliver work, and stay organized, are completely free. In this video, I'm going to show you the 7 free software tools I use every single day to run my 6-figure videography and content business. And for those of you watching this video early, I've got something special waiting for you before the end of the video. So make sure you keep watching. All right, let's get into it. First up, we have the powerhouse of productivity. If I'm not in my editing software, I'm in Notion. It's where I organize my entire creative business from sales to pre-production. Notion is critical for the pre-production stage of the project. Here, I'll drop in the client brief, then I'll build out my shot list utilizing one of my most used tools, the Videography Shot List Planner. I've developed and refined this tool over months and months, allowing me to easily break down the shoot day, what lenses I'll be using, the shot types, if I'm shooting handheld or on the gimbal. I can also add reference images and link resources that will be useful on the shoot day. All of this I can easily map out in Notion. Then I can simply share it with the client. They can approve, tick, and we can get the production date locked in. I use this for every single shoot. It's extremely powerful. The second way I use Notion is for sales forecasting. So I can track every project that I'm working on. Is it a lead? Have I qualified it? Have I sent the proposal? This becomes extremely useful whenever clients go quiet on the email trail. Instead of just guessing or forgetting to follow up, I can just jump in, check my sales forecast, and instantly see what needs chasing. It basically means nothing slips through the cracks. Finally, Notion is a great place to build out your professional portfolio. You can add in the logos you've won, your client testimonials, I'll talk more on that shortly, and of course, your example projects. You can easily turn the Notion document into a web page. You don't need to know how to code, and you can just share it with clients. So easy, so simple. Notion isn't the only tool that I rely on when it comes to developing the ideas behind the content, so writing the scripts, the strategies, or even just capturing those random sparks of inspiration. I use a very different kind of tool. My favorite tool for writing is called Obsidian. So unlike regular note apps where your ideas live in isolated folders, Obsidian connects everything. It builds a visual web of your thought, which basically means your ideas grow organically by linking them all together. So I'm not going to show you how to set this up, but if you're interested, I'll link a video below and this guy will walk you right through it. Here's the best part. As your ideas grow and connect, you'll naturally start spotting patterns, refining your voice, and building the kind of authority that clients trust. So speaking of trust, let's talk about one of the smartest things you can do as a business owner and a content creator. Collect client testimonials after every single project. Just do it, send the testimonial, get it out, get them to fill it in, and collect them. This is how you build trust, social proof, and land bigger and better clients. I use a tool called Senja. You can customize the forms, send it to your client, and you can even request things like video testimonials, all within just a few clicks.
And recently I stumbled upon James Morrison, and this was one of the best business decisions of my life. I was looking for a videographer in Sydney.
It's simple, professional, and it does the asking for you. Next up, a professional post-production powerhouse, and it's completely free. I've edited everything from YouTube content, commercial work, Instagram reels, all on the free version of DaVinci Resolve. If you're not in Resolve, I suggest taking the time to get familiar, and trust me when I say all of your work will drastically improve. From color grading to sound design, even your animation, it's all in there and it's all free. Okay, so once you've leveled up your skills, the next question is, where do you actually find paid work? So this can be one of the biggest hurdles for a lot of videographers, content creators, getting into the business. This brings me to my next tool, which I use is Upwork. So Upwork's been around for ages. Look, it's not my #1 source of revenue, but it has helped me to find some really decent clients and most importantly, build out my network. So if you're looking to get early traction, or maybe you just want to fill in the gaps between bigger projects, it's a great free tool to get started. So I'll create a full video on finding clients because it's something you can talk about forever, but I will recommend one thing. If you are struggling to find clients, you just have to get yourself out there. Go to networking events, go to business events, get in touch with PR companies, ask do they need an event or an activation covered. Even if you need to do some unpaid work at the beginning to build out your network, it is 100% worth the effort. So once you do that, and once those few jobs start coming in, there's one thing that's going to sneak up on you fast. It's your admin. Invoices, taxes, chasing payments. Nobody likes it and nobody has time for it. So I'm based out of Australia and I use a tool called HNRY, HNRY. It sends invoices, it follows up on them, and it takes care of all your tax. And finally, when it comes to scripting, idea generation, or even storyboarding, I use a combination of ChatGPT, Gemini, and Grok. I usually draft the core of the script myself, and then I feed it into these tools, maybe one, maybe two, get feedback, bounce ideas, get some fresh angles. Then I keep reiterating until I'm happy with the final outcome. So this is something I'm really interested in. I would absolutely love to hear your thoughts on how you're implementing AI tools into your workflow, and in particular, tools that you're using. So let me know down in the comments how AI is helping your workflow. Okay, all right, here it is. Like I promised, if you're watching this video within the first 24 hours, the videography shortlist planner that I talked about earlier is completely free. You can click in the link in the description and download it. It's a great tool. It'll really help your videos, any content that you're shooting. If you're catching this video a little bit later, don't stress. In my next video, I'll be giving away more productivity tools, more resources, and lots more value, but only in the first 24 hours of the video going live. So if you don't want to miss the next giveaway, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, because that way you'll get notified as soon as the video goes live and you'll be able to download the free product. And if you missed it this time, I don't want you feeling left out, and you watched the whole way through the video, so thank you. If you head over to Gumroad, link below, I'll have something free for you. 7 completely free tools that I use every single day to run my content business. Each of them has played a part in helping me go full-time as a creator, videographer, and a photographer. If you're serious about building your own business, these tools will save you time, money, and stress. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.